Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So we have here the Six of Pentacles and the Chariot card. We also have here the Eight of Pentacles and the Sun. Leo, Cancer energy tayo dito. And the Star, Aquarius. The Magician. Six of Wands and the Nine of Swords. Bottom card natin is this High Priestess. Okay, pero nagpakita pa si Page of Swords and Temperance. Oh, may nagmumulto. May magpaparamdam ng multo, ha? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Maaring itong taon to, ginost ka. Bigla magpaparamdam to ngayon. Nako, magpaparamdam na naman ng mga multo from the past. Pero naman yung mga buhay na multo natin dyan, ha? Nabubuhay na naman sila. So, we have here pencil and bonfire. This sweets. Broom. Traffic lights and lighthouse. Bottom card, healing crystals. Okay? So, may mga energies tayo na Leo, Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius. So, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng message ng ating archangels. So, we have here Angel Therapy by Archangel Raphael. Give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take our burdens. Okay. So, tingnan natin. So, mukhang matagal to naghihintay ng right time. Mukhang matagal na siyang nagsusulat ng kanyang mga messages pero binubura rin niya kalaunan. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Ano naman to mga paramdam na mga multong buhay. Kasi mukhang na-guilty ito eh. Hindi siya, may mga times na iniisip ka niya during, madaling araw. Proud of you, hate my pride and ego. Crow. Crying over you, feeling lost. Oh, 'di ba nagdadrama, oh. Ayan ang ine-emote nitong ating buhay na multo. Ayan. Giving up. Pero nag-give up ka na dito sa taong to eh. Kumbaga parang ilang beses mo na siyang binigyan ng chance. Pero paulit-ulit na lang siyang I'm a liar. Caught in the middle. You're so sexy and guarded and wounded. Kasi nilagay ka niya sa third party situation eh. Ito, with this bonfire, may mga ka-flirt siya, ka-fling siya, or side chick, side kung ano man to. No, business is business. Kumbaga, nakikipag-usap siya sa'yo, pero may iba pa siyang kausap. May iba pa siyang ine-entertain. Ganun. So, tingnan natin. Finding out the truth crushed me. I'm grateful for the spiritual lesson. Ito siya, oh. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I bury myself in work to forget you. I wish I could take back my words. I hide behind material things. I don't react when people mention you and I want to tell you how I feel. Bottom card, I feel you even though we are apart. Oh, ramdam niya yung presensya mo kahit na wala kayong communication, wala kayong usap-usap, kahit malayo kayo. Ayan. So, tingnan natin initials, letter N. LQ. Karoon ng LQ. Lovers quarrel. Ayan, letter Y. AC. PF. Letter U, B. D. R, bottom card. Kuha natin ng blue card. We have here confessions. Guilty. Oh, union of hearts. Biglang union of hearts. Oh, guilty siya. Oh, guilty sa mga nangyari. Marami siyang gustong sabihin. Confess. And tingnan natin sa general signs and messages natin dito. Flower. Need more signs. Mindanao. Travel. Friendly. Has a dirty sense of humor. Another sweet card. Another Aquarius sign. Visayas. Ex-lover. Ayun oh. Ayan oh. Landi oh. Ito siya eh. Oh, ayan. Mirror. Quiet person. Patience please. Green-minded. Beach. Trustworthy. Private person. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Luzon, number 3. Eye contact. Cute and chubby. Very lucky. Sexy body. Libra. Confusing. High expectations. July and October. Soon. 7 and Chaser. Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Number 2, 10, North PH, Virgo, Food Lover, South PH, and number 8. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.